Welcome to 415A Cedar Lake Road in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Only 5 miles from UNC Chapel Hill and only 2 minutes to the nearest grocery store. Let's go on inside and take a look at this 2-bedroom, 1-bath, approximately 900 square foot condo that looks like a duplex. Welcome inside. There is a wood-burning fireplace in the living space. And as we come around this way to the left, you see the front door, and there's undeveloped woods and also a pasture across the street. Next to the living space is the dining space with the bar into the kitchen, and also these really beautiful built-in shelving between the dining space and the kitchen. There's ample countertops all the way around this galley kitchen, lots of storage. And the washer, dryer, and refrigerator all do stay in this property. And you see the backyard through the back door here. As you come in to the other side of the unit, the back bedroom is the owner's bedroom. And there are 2 closets. The left-hand closets had the closet doors removed. They are in the storage off of the back patio and can be replaced. As you leave the owner's bedroom, to the left of the bathroom is a linen closet. And then there is a full bath between the 2 bedrooms. To the right of the bath is the front 2nd bedroom. And on the left-hand side closet is the washer dryer. And then the right closet does have built-in shelvings and cubbies. The back of the unit has a lovely, tranquil back patio and storage to the left. And as we look around behind us, you'll see that there are undeveloped woods. Very tranquil, peaceful, and quiet backyard with undeveloped woods.